Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how you can make your own reversible face mask. So this tutorial is for my stylish people in the house, so enjoy. So first just fold a box shape fabric, then draw a C at the edge just like this, and then slant it to the sides. You just freestyle it, you don't need any kind of extra measurements. Just make sure all the sides are equal, the three sides, 5.5, 5.5. Then the part that is close to where you put the strap, you just make it 3 inches, and that's it. Cut, simple as that. Then cut for the other fabric, just put it on top, and then you have two. So we are sewing the sides like this. And then the other side, then you turn it inside out so that you can sew it together. Now for the strap, I'm using a 5-inch. Just put it inside because we want it to be neat, so just do it exactly like this. This is quite simple. Just follow the video. So hope you guys are staying safe, taking precautions, wearing your face mask when you're going out, then washing your hands also very much important. So just sew all the sides, leave the space that I used to turn it. So this is this is the space I left open so that I used to turn the fabric. That's what I'm doing right now. So this is it. So simple. So both sides can be used. You can decide to turn it anyhow you want it. Either so you can wear it either the plain part or the pattern. So just sew the opening, and voila, this is it. Please, if you are new here, hit the subscribe button before you leave, like and share to your friends. Thanks so much for watching. Till my next video, bye for now.